The Millennium Falcon is possibly the most recognisable ship in the Star Wars sagas, and I've got one here with me today. I picked this one up at my local car boot sale. I will leave a link at the end of this video for you guys to check that one out. Now, what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to show you guys how you can easily weather this vehicle using basic shoe polish. It's a great technique. You can pick this shoe polish up at any hardware store, but not just for this particular vehicle. You can use this technique on any other kind of toy that you have that you feel needs to be weathered. But yeah, so let's get over to the table and get started. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that notification bell for more content. Okay guys, so what we're going to start with is obviously we've got the shoe polish there, okay, and we're going to be using 1/2 inch brush. Okay, you can pick these brushes up in your local hardware store as well, or I would say you're better off going to an arts and crafts store to pick these up, okay, because it's got a nice nice brush head there, nice and thin, so that would be ideal for what we want. I'm going to be using a sponge, okay, and some kitchen roll. So first off, what we do, we get the shoe polish, this liquid form, and just get a load of that out there like that. Okay. And we've got some water there to tip the brush in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start on the bottom to see how that looks on the bottom. So what we do, bit of water on the brush. Okay, and then just brush over. Shit, that's right, that's it. And what we want to do is get in all the nooks and crannies there, okay? And this will pop out. It will make all the little parts pop out at you. Okay, so I've just done, okay, so that little bit there, and then what we do, we'll just brush using the rough side of the sponge. Okay, just brush that off. Okay, and this is all it is really. And that little bit, you can see, looks better already. You can see the lines popping out there, which is great. So I'm just going to keep going over that. What we do is one side, and what's good about this, we've got these the side here in there. You can see all the detail in there. Let me put a little bit on there, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so just a little bit on there, focus. Okay, and as you can see, that's brought the detail up quite nicely there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to carry on and do this half, and then I can show you the comparison when that's done. Okay, so that's just half of it done. Okay, you might need to go over a few more times to get the weather that you're looking for. But as you can see, the difference between this side and this side, it's popping out more, as I say, in between the gaps there. I'm probably going to need a bit more on there, so yeah, let me carry on. Okay, there we go. I've darkened it up a bit more, and I'm quite happy with that look. As you can see, the new to the weathered. Very, very simple and easy to do. Okay, so there we have the bottom half weathered, so you can see the bottom compared with the top, nice and new, nice and weathered. I think you'll agree that's a really amazing effect, all by using shoe polish, some water. So let's carry on. Even that little bit, you know, difference, it just makes it look so much better. There we are, guys. I think you'll agree that's a pretty good job. Looks a lot better. That definitely looks like the Millennium Falcon now that done the Kessel run in less than 12 parsecs.
If it's a fast ship.
Fast ship? You've never heard of the Millennium Falcon?
Should I have?
It's a ship that made the Kessel run in less than 12 parsecs.
Yeah, such an easy technique, guys. And the beauty about it is, of this technique, it really brings out the detail of the ship. Really good, because the polish has got into all the nooks and crannies there. You can see it's really brought the ship to life. Really brought the ship to life. So there we are, guys. A simple technique that you can do. I will be applying this technique to a few of my other items that I have. So there we are, guys, the before and the after. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until the next video, long live the Empire.